Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes and does not replace professional medical advice. Are you slouching right now at your desk? You have been told to sit up straight your entire life by parents, teachers, and your own brain. But let us be real, that advice never lasts for more than a couple of minutes. Why is that? Because you are fighting a losing physical battle against your own desk. Better posture is not about trying harder, using more willpower, or buying an expensive chair. It is about one simple reset of your workspace that makes good posture feel totally automatic. We have been trying to fix our bodies when we should have been fixing our surrounding environment. By the end of this video, that nagging ache in your upper back and neck will finally have a real solution. Let us be honest. That C-shape your spine makes when you are deep into work feels completely normal. You lean into focus, your shoulders creep up, and your head drifts slowly forward. You only really notice it when you stand up, and that sudden wave of stiffness hits your lower body. That dull ache between your shoulder blades is a direct signal that your desk is working against you. This posture, often called tech neck, is not just a bad habit. It is a mechanical failure. Your body is not being lazy. It is simply taking the path of least resistance to see the screen. When your head, which weighs about 10 to 12 pounds, drifts forward, the strain on your spine skyrockets. Your neck muscles have to work overtime every single second just to keep you from face-planting. This continuous overwork leads directly to that burning fatigue sensation by 3 in the afternoon. You might think a little discomfort is just an inevitable part of having a modern desk job. Incorrect. Daily slouching leads to structural complications far beyond simple muscle soreness. It is directly linked to chronic neck pain, persistent tension headaches, and loss of shoulder mobility. Think of it like bending a plastic card repeatedly. Eventually, a permanent crease forms and weakens it. Constant strain puts you at risk for pinched nerves that cause sharp pain or numbness down your arms. You also drain your overall daily energy, leaving you feeling constantly fatigued without knowing why. A slouching chest restricts your diaphragm, reducing oxygen intake and triggering physical stress signals. The scariest part is how gradually this happens. You slowly accept discomfort as your new normal. Now for the fix. I call this the one simple desk reset, and it requires 0 expensive gadgets. An ergonomic desk is a complete mechanical system, and we are fixing it in 3 easy steps. The main objective is making upright posture the absolute most comfortable position you can be in. Step 1. Plant your foundation. Everything begins from the ground right beneath your feet. Adjust your chair height so both feet rest completely flat on the floor with knees at a 90-degree angle. No dangling legs or sitting on tiptoes. Unstable feet instantly destabilize your entire lower spine. If your desk is too high, use a footrest, a small stool, or even a sturdy stack of hardback books. Grounding your feet provides a solid, stable foundation that prevents your pelvis from rolling backward. Now for the step almost everyone forgets. Slide your hips all the way back into your chair. Stop perching on the edge of your seat like a nervous bird. You are ignoring built-in support. Your chair lumbar support cannot do its job if your back never touches the backrest. Sitting back maintains the natural lordotic curve of your lower spine, stopping the slouch cascade before it starts. Step 2. The main event: monitor height. This single adjustment is the ultimate game changer. The number one reason we slouch is simple. Our screens are sitting way too low. Your brain will always prioritize visual sightlines over maintaining good body posture. So bring the screen up to eye level so your body does not have to bend down to meet it. Position your monitor so the top edge is at or slightly below your natural eye line when upright. The screen should also sit roughly 1 full arm's length away from your face. When you do this, your head stays naturally level, stacking your neck right over your shoulders. This immediately removes tens of pounds of mechanical strain off your upper back muscles. You do not even have to think about sitting up straight. The elevated screen forces it. Step 3. Align your arms. Stop reaching forward across your desk for your tools. Elbows should hang close to your sides, bent comfortably at roughly 90 degrees. Reaching out pulls your shoulder blades forward and starts the slouching collapse all over again. Keep your keyboard and mouse close enough that your forearms stay parallel to the floor. This keeps your shoulder girdle relaxed and locked into neutral support. Feet flat, hips back, monitor up, keyboard close. You have officially completed the workspace reset. Take a breath right now. How does your upper back feel? Supported, not strained. If this setup makes sense to you, hit that subscribe button for more actionable physical resets. Now even the best ergonomic setup has one massive weakness: prolonged sitting time. Your spine was built to move. Staying completely static in any single position for 8 hours causes stiffness. You cannot freeze yourself in place all day and expect your joints to stay healthy. The final ingredient is movement. Build in micro breaks every 30 minutes without fail. When your timer goes off, stand up for just 60 seconds. Stretch your arms high overhead. Clasp your hands behind your back to stretch tight chest muscles open and reset posture. This brief movement flushes stagnant metabolic waste out of tissue and restores spinal nutrition. Look out a distant window for 20 seconds to relax your eye-focusing muscles as well. Remember this simple, quick phrase: ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips. Whenever you catch yourself drifting, use that quick mental checklist for an effortless reset. Do not obsess over holding a completely rigid position. Flexibility is far healthier than stiffness. The real goal is supported neutral alignment combined with frequent micro-movements. For years, you probably blamed yourself for bad habits or lack of physical discipline. But the problem was never your willpower. You were fighting a physical environment designed to lose. By changing the environment, good posture becomes the easiest path of least resistance. Your spine stays naturally aligned not because you force it, but because it is comfortable. You have addressed the biomechanical root cause instead of masking symptoms. The daily stiffness and constant readjusting can finally become a thing of the past. So go raise that monitor today. Take 10 minutes to reset your desk right now. Your neck and upper back will instantly feel the mechanical relief. Trust me, your spine will thank you for years to come. A supported spine is the foundation for daily physical longevity and energy. Every small ergonomic adjustment compounds over thousands of working hours. Less physical pain directly translates to better focus and effortless productivity. You deserve a workspace that supports your health instead of wearing it down. Tilt screen back slightly up to 15 degrees for optimal reflection-free glare reduction. Eliminating screen glare stops you from leaning forward unconsciously to read text. Squeeze your shoulder blades together gently during break times to awaken middle back muscles. Standing up stretches tight hip flexors that pull your lower spine forward when seated. Gentle core engagement acts as an internal brace for your lower lumbar discs. Organize your frequently used items close by so you never have to strain to reach them. Remember the golden rule of workspace geometry: 90 degrees at hips, knees, and elbows. You do not need a protractor, just listen to your body's natural comfort cues. Unrestricted neural flow keeps fatigue at bay and maintains sharp cognitive focus. Use your movement breaks to hydrate, as well-hydrated spinal discs cushion impact far better. Small environment resets create massive long-term physical transformations. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, drop a like on the video. Comment below which step made the biggest immediate difference for you. Subscribe for more practical science-based health resets. Now go raise that monitor.